Alpha bro. This na VIX 51s, V51s. This is na the pair they specialize on. So basically, which is what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame, because I normally see on the weekly time frame because that's where I see my first levels of structures. So on the weekly time frame, I can see that we have been bearish for a while. Not a while. I think we have been bearish for the whole of 2022, 2023, coming into 2024. However, I think we have found support at around 15,500. Yeah, I can put my psychological levels right. I will see that we are at around 15,500 level. So you can see we have found support at 15,500. We have hit major supports, double bottoms, and we have gone ahead to break neckline, and we are currently retesting neckline. However, the potential for this neckline to hold is what I am anticipating, because we had this inside candlestick fake out pattern on the weekly time frame. So, and now price has currently retested the body of the last previous week candle, and then it has rejected significantly. However, the strength of this support level at around 2,500 is what will determine if this price will still stay bullish or will start falling down. This is 20,500. I hope this video is not too long, but it will help me get my point across to you better. So if this holds, that means this candle, this weekly candle will come to be a doji on the weekly time frame, then for the next week to come and continue the bullish moves, because on the weekly time frame I can see Fibonacci play, which is currently happening from swing low to swing high, with that bullish engulfing candle. You can see price came into 61% of Fibonacci. And if you go down to lower time frames, like if you go down 2 time frames or 3 time frames lower, you will see that there's a chart pattern around this 20,500. Sorry. So let's go down to daily. On the daily, we just have a bearish rejection, which is holding price above. And on the daily time frame, you can see we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a higher low, a potential higher low, which is not confirmed yet until we break this higher high. But on the daily time frame, you can see we have the double top on at that area, which is kind of making it a bit confusing. And then we have kind of formed like a lower high here. But I'm still watching this market to see where the direction is going to hold. So my focus now is 20,500 to see if it holds properly, and then you can still be buying this market. You can still be buying this market up to this level. But for now, we are still looking at the potential that it could be bearish, because now we have had this head and shoulders on the 4-hour, head, right shoulder, head, left shoulder, break neckline retest, drop, and then on this 4-hour we have had this head and shoulders here again. So it's kind of confusing at this point now. So, but me, I'm still kind of banking to the upside. But if I see any momentum that might say otherwise, I will likely take that trade. But how can we find an immediate setup at the moment? So that's what we are going to try to find out. So on the daily time frame, you can see that price rejected 23,000. 23,000 is the psychological level above here. 23,000. 23,000. You can see we had rejections above there with multiple daily week rejections, and then we have come in to put a lower low and lower high. You can see we broke this structure, not necessarily the daily structure. We just shifted in structure because this is the low price needs to break on the daily time frame for us to confirm that it is truly bearish. But however, these ones are kind of called a mid structure in between structures. But let's still watching out. So I'll upload my psychological levels now, and then we'll find out the immediate trend. Normally my trade, I normally take my trade from like in the morning time frame, from one psychological level to another psychological level. That's about 5,000 pips, and it normally gets hit like during the day, and then we still have like a lot of hours during the trading day to just be watching and seeing what the price is doing. But okay, let's go on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have 23,000 being rejected. So we are going to focus primarily on where prices are down, right? So we are between 20,000, 23,000 and 20,500. But for the weekly, we are going to focus on the weekly. This will be. I hope you can understand me. I will make another video for you. We are 22,000 psychological level and 20,500. No, that is not it. We are at 22,500 and 20,000. Yes, 22,500 and 20,000. This is how I play my support and resistance. For more clarity for me. So on the daily time frame, you can see we are in between this support and this 20,500 is the last guide that will help us decide if you're going to go bearish or still hold bullish. So on the, I can plot the ones in between. We have 20,000, 22,000, 22,000, 21,500. Then we have 20K, I think, 21,000, yes, 21,000 right about there, 21,000. So yeah, this is the most important psychological levels I'm looking for. I'm looking out for to play out for this week. However, if this was to keep on going bearish, this candle will come and form like a doji somewhere around here. Then the next candle will just continue going bullish. But however, on the 4 hour, you can see that price has been creating lower lows and lower highs. See, but at this point we are kind of looking out for this neckline of this head and shoulders, which has been formed around here. This head, right shoulder, head and left shoulder. Now we are rejecting neckline. This is an important decision mark for us. So price can, however, come into 21,000 and then bounce off. It can come just like that, come like this, 21,000, and then you can go higher. So see something I'm looking out for. This is I think Friday, Saturday, Sunday. On Sunday, a new weekly candle will start. The new week on DERIV will start. So I'm just watching out for it. So if I were to draw my trend channels, you can see. Oh shit, 20,500. Which one is this? Delete that. You draw my trend channels. You have them like this, and then you can see price about that range. So you can see price has broken the bullish trend channel on the 4 hour time frame. However, you can see continue it to the upside, because on the daily time frame, if we to draw the trend channels again, we'll have something like this. We'll start the trend channels from here. We'll have something like this, and we'll have another one coming like this. So we are still bullish on the daily time frame. However, this is daily time frame. So now price is kind of stuck in this range on the 1 hour. So if this price should come and retest, if the next 4 hour candles come and retest the week of this, let me take up this trend line. We come and retest this bar here, and then you can see further more drop. At least you can take this trade for today and tomorrow. If price come here, we are and reject we are likely to see a drop at least to this 21,000 or maybe below, and then we push up or we still continue going down. But this is something I'm looking out for. That is the trade I have mapped out, because if you check that green zone on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see we have structure about this level. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see that is the neckline of this double top we formed around 22,000. So this is a trade, potential next trade we have to the downside to sell, and then it also aligns with these trend channels as well. So you can see how the trade looks beautiful from there. So you can take a short position. You can see price is already rejecting this level to go back to retest, because we always have that retest on the 4 hour. So the next 4 hour candle, I'm expecting it to come to the week of this previous bullish candle and then drop. So you can take a trade on this green bar, put your stop loss above this current 4 hour candle, and then we have a short position. So at least target is 21,500, and for sure definitely target will get hit. So instead of targeting this level, because we don't know if price might come to this level, price might come and get stuck around this region. See, there are many rejection candles here. Price might come, get stuck here, and then move to the upside. So that is the trade I have for today. I'll send you more updates if I